Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, I am going to show you the new portable stainless steel grill from Lifedoo. You guys stay tuned. Of course, check it out. So let's go ahead and take this portable grill out of the box. And when I mean portable, look at it. It's all in one box. You can take it with you just like this, get in your car, go somewhere, fire it up, put some charcoal in it, fire it up, and got your little grill to cook on wherever you go. Okay. This kind of grill, I have the first version of it. Well, actually, I think it's the second version of it. The one that I got. And this is actually, I think maybe their third version that they come out with. And it's supposed to be made out of stainless steel. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna take a look at it. But still, again, look at this. It's all in one little box. You can put it back in the box and throw it in your car. And if you're ever on the road somewhere and at a park or at the beach or something like that, you can get to cooking. All right, here we go. Let's open it up and see what's all in this box. That side open. Here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Now this is new. I was not expecting this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you something. When you tell these people something, they listen. On my last video, I told them, hey, we need a carrying case for it. It comes with a carrying case now. That is too cool. I'm thinking it all fits in here, but we're gonna see what else is in here. Man, that is sweet. I'm excited. I had no idea that was in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. This is made out of stainless steel, guys. Okay. So put that right there on the side. Those are the side brackets to the grill. Let's see what else is in here. These are the front and the back part to it. And the grill, of course. All right, so empty box, put that over here. They don't even put instructions in it. That's how confident and the people at Lifedoo are, that you don't need to put instructions on how to assemble it. It's so easy to put together. Wow, look at that. Shiny. Okay. The only question is what side do I want to put the fire to? I want to put the dull side, or do I want to put the shiny side? I don't know. We'll see. Oh, got those two pieces. These two pieces, and that's all it is. It's just 4 pieces, and there's something inside the bag. Let me open it up. Show you guys what's inside the bag. I'm not sure. Oh, wait a minute. There's a couple of items in here. Okay. Yep, that's it. Oh man, I really like this bag. Look at that. They tell you every user is our designer. So every time you suggest something to them, they're going to try to improve upon this product. So somebody else must have made a comment in regards to, and I'm guessing this is probably the ash pan for it. Let's see how this goes. So, Lifedoo. So this tells me which side goes out. This is the shiny side. You can read it says Lifedoo, so the shiny part goes out. And the dull part goes to the inside. So real simple. May have to back my camera out a little bit so you guys can see better, but I'll get this first one in there. That's probably a little better. Get this other side on here. right, and there's that half. Says Lifedoo on it. There we go. Yeah, Lifedoo right there. It's not bad. It's portable. You know, so small, compact. New tray down here on the bottom. You know, for catching the ashes. I guess that's okay. The other one was a tray that was down here on the bottom of the legs, and then we got these brackets up here for holding the grill on it. Oh yeah. I think yeah, they put these little notches here too, because the other one didn't have these notches for the grate to sit on top. Yeah, I like it. The other thing that's different about this one is the other version that I have has different two different angle slits on it. I don't know what to call it. That way you can make this smaller, you can make this bigger. You know, I like it bigger like this. That way, you know, you can fit the charcoal in there just fine. But that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. That's the Lifedoo new and improved stainless steel you know, grill put together. You know, let's cook something. I think I'm about ready for a new chimney. There we go. We'll get this bad boy spread out. Man, those are beautiful coals. I love them. So this thing is about ready. Let me put the grill grate on it. We'll be ready to do some skewers. I'm gonna heat up some barbecue sauce here, mixed in with a little bit of vinegar. And this is what we're gonna use to, you know, put on our skewers. Some barbecue shrimp and scallops. So let's go ahead and drop us a couple skewers on there, guys. Oh yeah. Can hear the sizzling. Once my barbecue sauce gets where I want it to, I'll go ahead and get rid of it, and you know, we'll be able to you know, sauce these skewers up. It's gonna come out really nice. So far so good. This Lifedoo grill seems to be holding up pretty good. I did notice up here in the front, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, the metal did warp some. So my suggestion is when you start your fire, start with a small, maybe a smaller chimney than what I did. You know, I had a full-size chimney, and I am using lump charcoal. Lump charcoal tends to put out a little bit more heat, you know, compared to regular charcoal. But so far so good. We're gonna give this a try and see how these skewers come out. So these skewers are coming out really good, guys. I'm pretty impressed with how this Lifedoo is performing. It did have a little bit of warping on there, but I think that was more my fault. Too much, what would I call it? Too much heat started to warp the metal just a little bit. But for the most part, you know, the metal started to go back to its original position as the heat started to die down, and this thing's doing what it's supposed to be doing. You know, you take this out with you camping somewhere, you know, skewers, hot dogs, hamburgers, something small like this, you know, it's perfect for, you know, for the campground. Nice and portable, you know, you can't beat it. If you guys are interested in something like this, it'll be down in the description below. You know, you guys go out and check out their website, lifedoo.com, I believe it is. And they make different varieties of this equipment. But anyhow, guys, I'm going to finish cooking these skewers up. I appreciate you guys very much. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you're interested in videos like this, and make sure to hit that that bell. That way you get notifications when a new video comes out. But besides that, I will talk to you guys later. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios. I'm going to eat some shrimp.